Mazda. Along with the brake pads, you should also order the hardware kit if you don't already have it, but I already have it, so I'm just going to use my old ones. When you put on this metal clip, make sure the middle part is sticking up so that it doesn't hit the brake pads. Again, with this clip, also make sure the middle part is sticking up so it doesn't hit the brake pads. You want to angle the metal pins so that the holes are facing inward towards each other so that you can get the last metal clip in. Brake rotors always come with grease on them, so you'll want to wipe all that stuff off before you actually put it on the car. You can use either brake cleaner or gasoline to get this stuff off. Shiny. If you bought the spindle used, you should check to make sure that the rotor spins without hitting the shield. And that's it. So now you can put the caliper on the rotor. So you just have to line it up over those two holes, and it's just the two bolts.